In India's Andaman and Nicobar Islands, there's a perceptible shift from the traditional ways of life. Members of the remote tribal communities, lauded as the sons of the soil, are increasingly joining the police as home guards. Last year alone, authorities recruited more than 500 young men from across the archipelago to help manage relations with outsiders. Our next report traces this remarkable journey of India's island tribes from hunters to home guards.
This is the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, a union territory of India comprising 836 islands, home to several communities classified as particularly vulnerable tribal groups. For perhaps too long, these remote communities, stressing their self-sufficient model, lived in isolation, thereby preserving their traditional way of living. It did not help that past forced contact with outsiders brought trauma, including disease outbreaks, that threatened to wipe out the indigenous populations lacking immunity. But change is starting to ripple through the Indian Ocean archipelago. Jharj, one of just 143 surviving members of the N. Erigale, or perfect person in their language, describes a life on the pristine Little Andaman Island where his people still fish in bountiful coral reefs or hunt wild boar in the areas of the forest still protected by the millennia-old stewardship.
पहले का आदमी जो जमाना का आदमी लोग हम लोग का अब्बा अम्मा अब्बा लोग पहले का.
The people from older generations, like our parents, did not speak in Hindi language. They used to speak in their own native languages. As time passed and people started meeting outsiders along the way, they slowly began to pick up and learn Hindi so they could communicate better with each other.
थोड़ा सीख गया कैसा हिंदी सीखना कैसा बात करना. पहले हम लोग कछुआ मरने जाता होड़ी में.
We go hunting turtles. We also catch fish and do all sorts of things. We go into the forest for hunting and set traps to catch wild boar.
फंडा भी डालेगा हम लोग. चूहर का फंडा. हाँ.
Most widely known as the Onj, many of Jharj's community members still live in near isolation in neat thatched homes on stilts in coastal forests. But change is around the corner even if outsiders are barred from entering indigenous territory. Given the curiosity of the community about the wider world and its modern comforts, contact is increasing by the day.
अभी 10 पास वाले लड़की लोग.
Those who have passed class 10th in school are trying to get a job. They are putting in efforts to get jobs and they need to move further ahead.
कर रहे हैं तो उन लोग को और आगे बढ़ना है.
Last year, the authorities, treading a delicate line in managing an increasing number of visitors, began to recruit more than 500 young men from communities across the archipelago as police home guards.
See, we have this intake as home guard volunteers in Andaman and Nicobar Police, and they are very integral part. They have been a very integral part of policing. The advantage with HGVs are they are like totally sons of soil and natives of a particular area where they are posted eventually, not very far off from their native places. And they really know the terrain, the topography, and islands are very remote, the conditions are very harsh.
Jharj, who speaks some Hindi along with his friend Raja, was among the first 5 men from their community to be recruited. Today, Jharj and Raja are a source of inspiration for the younger members of their community who have begun to appreciate the value of education in their overall development. What adds to the allure of the uniform, besides the attractive salary, is a newfound interest in the outside world beyond their island. Better things, as they say, are on the horizon.